This is a trailer video to explain what this channel is all about. I'm going today to show you how to build a basic barn door with regular rough sawn fir, and I'm going to treat it with vinegar and steel wool homemade stain to make it look like barnwood. Then I'm going to take regular galvanized hinges and show you how to patina them to make them look like they're old, or even turn them into copper. Let's get started. While I'm cutting all this lumber, I'm just going to hurry and say that this is all pre-finished. I had already put the vinegar stain on this to make this video go faster. See, it's a regular lumber, and when you cut it after you put the vinegar stain on it, this is all vinegar stain, and you can make vinegar stain really, really cheap. It's steel wool, and I'll teach you how to make that in a different video, but it's steel wool and vinegar, and it's about a 5 gallon costs about 30 bucks to make. Anyway, this is what it looks like, and then when you cut this, sometimes I just take a fork. That makes it so it doesn't stand out like a sore thumb that it's new material. Now right now I didn't want to set up an air compressor for this little job, so I'm using trim head screws. They're a small torque head screw that is like a finish nail, but it's a screw, and I often use materials as a straight edge to cut things, and I don't use squares very often. I just use what I've got sitting there on hand. So just for fun, that's what the door looks like right now while you're looking at the top. So that's what it looks like right now. And just for fun, I'm going to take these horseshoe nails. They're designed for horseshoes, but I'm not sure how good you can see that. And I'm going to use these just for aesthetics. Now the hinges, they're just plain cheap galvanized hinges. And that to me is tacky with how shiny that is. So I'm going to show you how to patina
this metal to make it look older. I would normally do this outside, but it's winter and it's really cold out there, and I have to work with water, so I got to improvise with this setup. So, muriatic acid takes the zinc coating off of that. I've never worked with that without the proper respirator. I hope you can still hear me. And also, so you don't get chemical burn, get yourself some latex gloves.
I have a mask on now and you can't hear me very well, but this is muriatic acid, and make sure you don't breathe it. Water will neutralize it, so I'm pouring it on, and when I get it to where I want it to stop eating away, I'll throw water on it to neutralize acid. This is probably the stinkiest stuff on earth. Now what I'm talking about now is a product called Steel FX. It's another acid-based product, so you still don't want to get that on your hands or breathe it, but this will turn metal, raw metal, into different colors. This one's a copper FX, and it's exactly what it does. It changes it into copper right before your eyes. The resolution in this video and that angle, it doesn't show it as dramatically, but you pour water on it and that will neutralize the acid again.
That's the look I'm going to go for on this, and I'll do more of this metal patina stuff on some upcoming projects real soon. But this, I just want to leave it like that, and I want it to naturally rust a little bit. So it'll be that copper color, but over time it will rust because the metal right now is very vulnerable. It might even be a little bit spot rusted by the time I'm done with this project that I'm showing you. You don't want to wipe this off though. If you wipe it, then you take that copper color off. So just let it dry. Now back to this door. I got toes on. Door's done. Let's go install it. this is my attic. I have a very, very small attic in this building, but my TV antenna will go up inside this, so I'd still need to access it. And just like that, stay tuned and keep tuning in, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to make some pretty awesome stuff. Thanks for watching. I'll show you next this belt-driven ceiling fan that's in this roof.